So it's September 29th. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. It's September 29th. This is my, let me see, Fuji Apple. My son's gonna pick off an apple. Look at this. No, let's show Fran how to pick it properly. Okay, what do? Is you hold it up right here, push it up. Oh, there you go. See, that means it's right. Means, you know, it's easy to take off. These are gardener's hand.
The apples are not dry. And also the green ones.
Okay, well, so can you take a bite to tell friends what you think of the Fuji apple?
The apple tastes like berry apple.
No, but you know the apples in the market that we buy, they have it in the fridge for like 6 months or more. That's how they store it. You see, it's actually not as fresh as, you know, from the tree. And you know, Washington, we're known for growing apples, but apples right here, they are a little tough to grow because sometimes they'll have blemishes or worms or whatnot. We didn't. We should be bagging these, each one of these, but then that'd be like Japan. We'll sell our apples for, you know, $3 piece, right? That's what Japan does. I don't know if they have these.
Who are we making a beer for?
For Fran.
But what's Friend's name?
Well, you have many friends. I can't name them all. So they have a wax paper that they bag each of their apples, which is the best way to prevent disease for apples. We probably do that next year. We did not do it this year. And all
I thought we were making a beer of apple for Isaac.
For Isaac? Okay, Isaac's one of your friends. That's right. You got a good idea. So apples, most of them are not self-pollinating. They need cross-pollination.
Why are you looking at me?
I'm seeing how you enjoy it. Let me try it. Hey, maybe have a piece. Let me have a piece. You're enjoying too much. Let me see. Okay. This is a nice size. Can I get just one bite? One bite. Okay. Oh, okay. That's how you share. Very juicy. Do you like it? So we have a couple. I did thin it out. So this cluster, if I didn't thin it out.
This is not right.
No, it's not that. It's not right, but let's keep it for tomorrow. We'll pick it each day. There's a bigger cluster. But as you can see, these are fruiting spurs. Okay, I have this hanging on here so it will hold the weight. You'll see how heavy they get. See, we leave only one fruit per fruiting spur. So we thin it out. After the fruit develops about quarter size, I would thin it out. I'm not so good at identifying apples from their leaves, so it's not really important for me. So I hope you enjoy it. Well, say bye, friends. Bye.